This delicious Dubai paratha peels apart in beautiful layers and melts in your mouth. In a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ghee, and a pinch of salt. Slowly add water until a smooth dough forms. Shape it into a ball and coat it lightly with ghee, then cover with plastic wrap and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's rested, divide the dough into 7 balls, cover and set aside. Now prepare a special paste by mixing 3 tablespoons of ghee with 3 tablespoons of corn flour. This is what gives the paratha its signature flaky layers. Take one dough ball and roll it out into a thin paratha. Using a knife, cut it into long strips. Brush the surface with the ghee paste and roll it up into a rope. Stretch it slightly, then coil it up into a swirl like a cinnamon roll. Tuck the end underneath and let it rest for 15 minutes. Repeat with the remaining dough balls. After resting, gently flatten each swirl with your hands. Cook them on a hot pan, adding extra ghee as needed. Flip and cook until golden brown on both sides. You'll know when they're ready when the layers start to peel apart and the paratha turns beautifully crisp. And there you have it, a Dubai paratha that's rich, flaky and full of irresistible layers. Each bite is buttery and perfectly crisp. Serve it with your favorite curry or enjoy it as is.